I am an AI avatar created by VidAU. You can use me as your video actor.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Please make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss any updates or new videos.
So, what do you think about this video? It's amazing, right? The realism is impressive, and you can create these kinds of realistic avatar videos in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll introduce you to a magical tool that makes it all possible. This AI tool is making waves in productivity and creativity. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Meet VidAU AI, the all-in-one AI-powered platform that's changing video editing forever. VidAU AI is not just another editing tool, it's an AI revolution in video production. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just someone who loves to create videos for fun, this platform makes your life easier by automating the tedious tasks and enhancing your creative workflow. Let's take a quick tour of the VidAU AI website. Right from the moment you land on their homepage, you'll see how user-friendly and intuitive the interface is. Everything is designed with you in mind, making it super easy to start your projects without a learning curve. But what really makes VidAU AI stand out? It's the cutting-edge AI tools they offer. You can create My Avatar, URL to video, swap faces, description to video, video avatar, and remove backgrounds. Imagine the possibilities. VidAU AI helps you bring all your creative visions to life in just a few clicks. We have the AI Avatar feature. This tool lets you create a digital representation of yourself or any character you can imagine, all powered by advanced AI. Is its ability to create videos with AI-generated avatar spokesperson. The process is incredibly simple. Start by selecting a base model or uploading a reference image. Choose the aspect ratio, video language, and write the script. Then click on Generate Avatar Video. You can customize every detail of your avatar, including subtitles, voice, script, and more. Once everything is set up, hit the render button, and your video will be ready.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Please make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss any updates or new videos.
Have a web page you'd like to turn into a video? With VidAU's URL to video function, you can do just that. Paste the URL, and VidAU will automatically generate a video that summarizes the content of the page. It's an amazing tool for repurposing web content into video format, which is great for social media, presentations, or online tutorials. This is particularly useful for e-commerce business looking to create engaging product video quickly and easily.
Are you tired of lagging behind in the virtual battlegrounds? The Asus
Need to create a product video quickly? VidAU description to video tool makes it effortless. Simply enter the product name, upload an image, or enter a description of the product. After this, click the next button. Select the aspect ratio, video length, video language, and target audience. After all the setting, click the next button, and the AI will generate a high-quality promotional video.
Say goodbye to dull, polluted skin. Say goodbye to dull, polluted skin. Pause.
And if you click on the Edit tab, you can easily customize your videos, change script, font color, size, voice, and more. This is a game changer for e-commerce businesses looking to create engaging content with minimal effort. Now let's talk about the Toolbox, where VidAU truly shines. Here, you'll find a variety of powerful tools like URL to video, swap faces, description to video, video avatar, video translate, backgrounds removal, watermark, subtitles removal, text-to-speech, and translate video subtitles. that can handle almost any video editing task you can think of. Creative Center. The Creative Center is designed to be your go-to workspace for all things creative. Whether you're working on a new project, experimenting with AI tools, or simply brainstorming ideas, this is where it all happens. Inside the Creative Center, you'll find a vast library of templates, making it easy to start your projects with a professional look. From video intros to promotional content, these templates are fully customizable, allowing you to add your personal touch. No more searching through endless files.
Are you looking forward to your future house? Take a look at us. We have exquisite room types for rent that will make
Everything is right at your fingertips. One of the coolest features VidAU offers is the video face swap. Imagine taking any video and swapping the faces of the people in it with just a few clicks. Whether you're looking to create hilarious content or experiment with different looks, this tool makes it incredibly easy. Simply upload your video, select the face you want to swap into the video. After selecting it, choose the model settings such as default, higher quality, and speed, and then click on Generate button and let the AI work its magic. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tools and tutorials. Catch you in the next one.